Hi, good afternoon.
Hi, good afternoon.
How are you today?
Fine.
Please tell me about your work experience.
7 years in Japan, work in a Canon company, sales girls. 3 years work in Sri Lanka, beautician.
Okay. And after that, do you have
With,
any working experience?
Sri Lanka, 3 years.
Okay. And what were your duties and
Uh,
responsibilities while on the job?
Rebonding, facial, threading bags, manicure, pedicure.
Okay. And then, how much salary are you looking for?
2000.
What is your favorite task? It is cooking, cleaning, or babysitting?
Cleaning.
Okay. What type of food can you cook?
I don't cook.
Okay. In terms of babysitting, how do you know if the baby is sick?
Baby fever.
What are your hobbies?
Watching TV.
Okay, how many years you want to work here in UAE? How many years?
This country,
Yes.
uh, 4 years.
Okay. Thank you. Nice talking with you and have a good day.